In this video, I want to show you how you can create a video from an article in literally less than 5 minutes for absolutely free. If that sounds good, drop a like and consider subscribing. Let's begin with a step-by-step tutorial. So first things first, we find an article, which I have right here, and it's about, what if you fell into a black hole? The really cool thing about this video creator, it's called InVIDEO, is basically you just take the URL, copy the URL, bring it over here to this site called InVIDEO, and from InVIDEO sign up, and we'll have a link to all that in the description below. Go to create new, text to video, and it gives you pre-made templates. You just kind of go through here and you pick one you like. This is just for videos. They have social media, they have every single thing you can think of. For this example, we're just going to use a YouTube style video because that's where we're going to put this on. This will be on YouTube. So just kind of burn through here real quick. I like this one. So for this situation, it gives you can add your script here, or, which is really cool, you can add your URL that we just copied from that article. Boom. Now it's going to go and it's going to fetch the article, and it's going to do its best to get pictures that match what the article is for. It's going to auto summarize this. It's going to paraphrase this all for us. So here's the article. And we're just going to go through this pretty fast just to get an example. This is called InVIDEO. The link will be in the description. It is incredible. I love this thing. Love InVIDEO. Auto summarize. So there you go. And it summarized this, and it gave us, this is a pretty quick article. Gives us scenes. So now we go to storyboard. For best results, keep the script under 30 sentences. Okay, so here we are. We're at the storyboard phase, and it tried to kind of get pictures. Ooh, that's a nice one. Okay, so it does its best, but some of this is up to us. Loading. Okay, so here we are at the storyboard, and it has brought all this over. This is the article that we grabbed the URL from. It's done its best to populate what it can. The rest is up to us. It put all the words in here. It's pretty amazing. So for this, it's not giving us a headline. I'm going to just delete this. Remove screen, yes. So here we are. We're basically at the start. Now what we do is we kind of just, what is this about? Most of the current hypothesis about what happens inside of a black hole is mathematically impossible. So we're going to go to video here on this side. I'm going to go to math. Gives us premium pictures. Gives us iStock. So we just put math in there, it's so you just kind of grab this one here so it looks good. Drag it right here. And it's a video, so it'll trim itself to fit. So here's kind of what I do. I'll just read this here, but to save you a lot of time and fruitless reading, the short, honest, but perhaps least thrilling answer is that no one really knows. So for here, we do something like a question. Go up to here. And we're going to look for free stuff. There's a question mark, but it's a premium. I don't have premium right now. There's a good one. Here's a really good one. So it goes here. This one's a really good one. So we pick this and drag it. And it's a video and it trims itself, which is just great. Essentially, I just kind of go through here and these space objects extremely dense. Gravitational force strong, absolutely nothing can resist its pull. So maybe a picture of something pulling. We'll just do one more real quick. That would be a good one, but it's premium. And we're talking about free stuff right now. Let's look up gravity. This one's good. As a child, this is how I understood black holes. So let's type in one more. Black hole. See if we can find a free photo. So we get rid of this picture, we don't like it. It doesn't fit. Just like that, and it trims itself to fit. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and finish the rest of this. We'll come back when I've got them all in. Okay, one more thing. This part doesn't make any sense, so I'm just gonna delete all that. These space objects, so strong, absolutely nothing can resist its pull. They are objects whose gravity is so strong. That's better. Okay, I'm gonna continue. Okay, so I've gone through and added all the pictures. Some of them were already added. And now from that, go to the advanced editor. Okay, so here we are at the advanced editor. And we've got our music here. We've got our scenes here. We've got a few that look a little bit long. This one here looks a little long. So we just grab it and kind of bring it over. So we kind of move over to this one. This one looks a little long. Why? Why is it so long? It's a lot of words, that's why. So it even has a lot of words. We leave it long. Okay, now, so let's go to the music. Let's see what this music's all about. Volume and fade right here. Volume is, let's bring it down to 89. About 89 is good. Once we have everything we like, we go over to export. And that's done. I mean, we're done. We created a video in less than 5 minutes from an article. It was all pre-done. Pretty much all the pictures were pre-done. All the links will be in the description below. At export at 1080, which is great. So it'll export, it'll send you an email, and from that email is where your link will be. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this. All the links are in the description below. We have other videos coming up. Please subscribe. Thanks, have a great day. Bye.